Hi guys, how are you guys doing? So today's video, I'm having for you an exciting video. I have for you some cleaning detergents that I'm using. I'll be sharing them with you, and some bloopers. Guys, I cannot work on TV. I cannot work in front of the camera. The English just goes south. When you want the words, they disappear. So guys, please do enjoy the video and the bloopers. Hi guys, welcome to another video. If you just joined me, my name is Elizabeth, and on this channel we do cleaning motivation videos, tons and tons of cleaning motivation videos, laundry videos, and sometimes lifestyle. I don't know when I'm gonna post the lifestyle video, but it's gonna come one day. So I thank you for clicking on this video, and thank you for subscribing in the meantime while you're on it. Thank you for coming to my videos again. Those who are coming back, I welcome you again. So thank you. So today in my video, I am going to share with you the detergents that I am using each time when I do my cleaning. I think they are the basics, and other things are finished, so I'll just talk about them as and when I go in the video. So let's get down to the video and see what I'm having for you. So when I'm doing my laundry, I always use Omo, and just a disclaimer, this video is not sponsored. I'm just sharing with you what I use. So I always use Omo washing powder for my laundry, and if it's not Omo, it will be sunlight washing powder or Meg washing powder. I'm gonna stop using Sec because it doesn't have enough foam for me. I don't think it has enough foam, so I'm using this one for my laundry. And in my laundry again, when I soak my clothes, I use this spirit vinegar, the white one. I pour inside water and soak my clothes before I can wash them. And the reason why I'm using vinegar inside laundry is because it reduces some body, in summer, or some other people have got that sweat that you cannot control, so you have to use a little bit of vinegar in your laundry. So that's what I'm doing. And for my kitchen, I do have a dishwashing liquid, antibacterial. I like the word antibacterial because it kills bacteria. I always use house brands. I like it. Some they prefer sunlight liquid. I don't like the smell of the sunlight liquid, so I am using the house brand. This is a brand for the supermarket. I always buy this one. As you can see, even this vinegar is a house brand. So I'm using this house brand dishwashing liquid, which is antibacterial. It kills bacteria. And while we are going on, this bleach also is a house brand. I use it sometimes a little bit in my dishes because the cloth that I'm using is white, and sometimes you find some oil or some spices spilled on it. I'm avoiding it to stick onto the cloth, so I'm using this a little bit in my dishes. And where I'm using it again is I use it on when I'm mopping. I'm using this to control the dirt for mop so that it cannot be more dark. And it's a lemon flavored bleach. So yeah, when I use this also, it smells nice. For my stove and other things, this that I sometimes use is on the sole for shoes, but for my stove specifically, I use Handy cream, dirt remover and shine. As you can see, my stove always is shining. It's because of this Handy, and I was using this lemon fresh. Now I have bought the lavender fresh fragrance. So from now on, when this one is finished, I'll be using the lavender one. Lavender is always smelling nice. And for my car pots, I'm using Pleasure Clean It multi-surface cleaner. As you can see, this one is a lemon oil flavor, but it's going to be finished anytime soon from now. Then I will be using another flavor, which is, I don't know, I will go and check. And yeah, this makes my cleaning, this makes my cupboards shine, and it grabs all the dust off from the carpet. So I was using this multi surface cleaner from Plush Supreme. I don't like the way it sprays, and it's lavender. It's kind of too much for my nose, so I'll just let it finish and I'll do away with it, but I'm preferring the Pledge from now. Then going right along in the kitchen, as a woman, you have to have a paper towel. This is too essential because you can wipe anything, especially spillage from the table, from the cupboards, wherever you want to use it. You can use it. You can wipe your hands. I don't have a running toilet. You can also put it in a toilet, and after washing you wipe with it, so that you avoid using towel that is being used by other people. If you are that kind of person who doesn't want to use things that are being used by people, you can have this thing in your toilet. Unfortunately, I'm using it in the kitchen to wipe off and to wipe some mirror and do all those things. So yeah, I'm having that also. When scrubbing my stove and when doing dishes, I use this super bright sponge set. It comes in a set of 6 sponges. It doesn't last long, so I buy 2 packets. I use 1 per week, so sometimes even it doesn't last even a week. This green thing can go off within 3 to 4 days, depending on how you are using it. So it's good. I think with me, it's because I am using it with some bleach also, so it kind of gets damaged. So this has helped me a lot. I think I like it a lot. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. This is a scorer. We use it especially on the pots that are stubborn with some food. Then but I hate it. I'm using it sometimes in my pot where I was cooking porridge. Here we call it papa. Papa is in Afrikaans. In Kenya you call it ugali, and Nigerians you call it fufu or something. Yes, this with scorer that, and I shine my pot. This is steel wool. Use it to shine my pots. I'm sure if you've been here for a longer time, you have seen me shining my pots using this, and it goes with sunlight bar, which I don't have it now. Sunlight bar is all in one. You can use it to shine your pots. You can bath with it. You can wash your laundry with sunlight bar. It goes a long way. So if you are an African, you're using that, you know. Some they use it. Some old people, they use it as a roll-on, just and that's it. So yeah, this is what I am using right now. The other things are finished. I will go and I have a pink toilet which I sometimes put in some jazz flute. I'll put a picture of the jazz flute that I'm using when it's finished to control the audio. I do wash it every weekend, so I will show you one day. I will do a video when I am cleaning my pit toilet. It's a beautiful pit toilet. I'm not ashamed of it. I come from the village. I don't have running water for the toilet, so yet I'm gonna have it. It's a list in progress. So for now, I'm using a pit toilet whereby we sit and do our thing, then you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do go ahead and hit the subscribe button, share the video, like. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. So do share your detergents. And before I forget, Stay Soft Lavender Fresh. When I'm rinsing my clothes, I use this for them to feel soft and for them to smell fresh. So every day I am using this when I do my laundry. Do have a nice weekend, and I will see you in my next video. I'll be sharing with you cleaning motivation. Please subscribe to my channel. Here we do tons and tons of cleaning motivations. I'm sure you won't regret, guys. And from me, Elizabeth Motsepe, I'm telling you that I love you and keep safe. Bye. So today in my video, I am going to share with you the disinfectant. The reason why I am doing that is because the reason why I am using audio in the reason why I am reducing sunlight bar is I can say it's all for one, all in one.